In the previous lectures, you saw how you can assign different values to a variable. In this lecture, you will see values act as the most basic or primitive data elements necessary to form not only variables, but any expressions. A prominent example of conditional statements in Python is the if statement. What you can use it for is intuitive, but it is very important to learn the syntax. Think of the following. If 5 equals 15 divided by 3, then print hooray. First, don't forget we should use the double equality sign here, because we are checking whether 5 is equal to 15 divided by 3, and we are not assigning the value of 15 divided by 3 to be 5. 5 is not a variable name. It is a number. Good. Now, it is crucial to place a colon. The colon will tell the computer what to do if the condition we just wrote has been satisfied. For achieving good legibility, we advise you to write the print statement on a new line. Please remember, it should be indented. Otherwise, you will run into an error. All right. Now this should work correctly. Yes, 5 is equal to 15 divided by 3. Hooray! Will it work if we check for 5 being equal to 18 divided by 3? It is not supposed to since 5 differs from 6. We got nothing because we have not told the machine what to do if the provided condition is not satisfied. So, there is no reason for the machine to print out hooray. The graph could help you imagine the process of the conditionals. Before it displays the outcome of the operation, the machine follows these logical steps. If the conditional code is not to be executed because of the if condition is not true, our program will directly lead us to some other output, or, as it is in this case, to nothing. After any of the two situations, the machine will go to the next black point and will progress from there on. Let's try with an inequality sign, which can be written with an exclamation mark and an equal sign. Isn't 5 different from 3 times 6? Yes, it is. It is true that it is different. Hence, we have hooray as an output. This was a brief introduction to if statements. This logic will help you proceed to the next lecture, where we will complicate things a little bit, but not too much. Thank you for watching.